Hello. This particular sequence of practices is known as Sambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. Initially, it has 3 yogasanas followed by breathing practice and meditation. First is Butterfly Asana. Put the soles of your feet together, clasp your hands over your toes, pull your heels as close as possible. Ideally, it should touch the Muladhana or anus. If you are not able to bring it that close, bring it as close as possible. Keep your eyes closed, spine erect, head straight, wing it. Breathing is slightly deeper than normal. Your focus should be on your breath. Try to get maximum movements up and down when you do this. Head should not be down. Make sure you keep the head straight, spine erect. Do not slouch as you do this. If you keep your spine erect and do it, immediately you will find the tension at the base of the spine. Do it for 2 minutes. These are the yogas which is used to make your body flexible before doing meditation. Second asana is Bala Shishubalasana or Rock Your Baby. Keep your right foot in the left elbow and right elbow around the right knee. Clasp your hands. If you are unable to clasp, just bring it as close as possible. Keep the back erect. Hug the leg as close as possible. Immediately you will find the stretch in the spine. Holding it in this way, rock the baby side to side. Eyes should be closed, head should be straight. Do it for 4 minutes, 2 minutes each side. Pause 2 minutes, switch to the other leg. So before you do these yogasanas and start the meditation, there should be at least 4 hours of interval should be there post your meal. You should do it on your empty stomach. If you are taking tea or coffee, at least 1.5 hours interval should be there before you do this. You can do it at the morning in empty stomach. Same way you can do it at the evening around 6 or 7 post 1:30 of your lunch, so that at least 4 hours time interval should be there. Third yogasana is cat stretch. Please come to a table position. Posture 1. Keep all the 5 fingers together. Do not spread the fingers. Keep them together, touching each other. Spine as flat as you can. Head and spine in one straight line. Eyes closed. We should be doing 3 cycles together. Posture 1. Head and spine in one straight line. Eyes closed. Table position. 2. As you exhale, tuck your head in. Spine arches upward. Arch the spine up. 3. As you inhale, spine arches downward. Get maximum stretch on your spine. Do not hold your breath. Breathe smoothly. 4. As you exhale, tuck your head in. The right knee goes to your forehead. Ensure it is the right knee. Do not rest the foot on the ground. Keep it off the ground, elbow straight. 5. As you inhale, right leg back. Do it gently. Keep the knee straight. Notice if you are able to feel the tension on the right side. Do not twist your body. 6. As you exhale, head comes in, right leg goes down, left knee to the forehead now. Left knee should up in the forehead. 7. As you inhale, left leg back, head comes up. Make sure you are keeping the knee straight. 8. As you exhale, tuck your head in. Left knee comes down to the original position, in line with the palm. Spine arches upward. Do not hold your breath. 9. As you inhale, head comes up, spine arches down. Eyes should be closed. Your big toes should touch each other. 10. As you exhale, table position. Every time the big toes should touch each other when you keep your legs together. So this will be followed by series of breathing practices. Before that, this should be done thrice. Now we are going to start the breathing practice, which is known as Suha Kriya. Before that, you have to sit in Yogamudra. If you have a pillow, you can use it. You have to sit at the tip of it, so that you can keep the left leg touching your anus. Left leg should touch the anus, and you can keep the right leg freely next to it. You should sit at the tip so that your left leg will touch the Muladhana. Now keep your palms facing upward and breathe for at least for a minute. Slowly. Close your eyes, spine erect. Now we have to do Suha Kriya. We just have to face the right hand facing the forehead. We are going to use thumb and the small finger. First, hold the thumb, closing your nostril next to the bone, right nostril bone. You just give little pressure so that no air will escape. Start from the left side. Exhale slowly, then inhale, then switch. Exhale on the right side, inhale on the right side, switch. So it should be an inverted U. Exhalation should start from the left side and ends by the same side. So it should be an inverted U. Exhale from the left side, inhale, switch, exhale, inhale, switch. So you have to do it for 6 to 7 minutes, at least for 4 to 5 minutes. Breathe slowly as you can. This will help you to use both of your lungs for breathing. Once it is done, you have to sit in Yogamudra, which is you have to make the thumb touches the first finger in both your hands facing upwards. Sit there for a minute and then start chanting Am. Ah, sound should be there. Start chanting it for 21 times. Start chanting it for 21 times. So it's a, u, im in equal interval. The sound starts from your stomach and it travels to your chest and you can feel it on your head. You can shout as loud as you can so that you can feel the vibrations inside your body from stomach to the head. So you have to do it for 21 times. Then sit with a slightly upturned face. If you make it upturned, then you can easily feel that the concentration will be on center of your eyebrows. Mild focus will be on center of your eyebrows. Maintain the focus there and then start breathing rapidly as fast as you can. 240 breaths per minute. But it should be on the surface. It's not the deep breath. So breathe as rapidly as you can. It's at least 240 breaths per minute. At the start you can try it as fast as you can and you can increase slowly. Do it in that way for at least 4 to 5 minutes as rapidly as you can. This one is followed by bandhas, which is two type of lock. With your emptiness, take your head back, inhale fully, bring your head down, lock the neck, then hold the diaphragm lock, which is pull your stomach muscle inward and the anal muscles inward. Diaphragm lock, anal lock, then sit there with the fullness of your breath as long as it's comfortable for you. Sit there. When you feel like exhalation, bring your head slowly up, exhale completely, but still the diaphragm and anal lock is intact. Now lock the neck. After exhalation is complete, lock the neck. Now sit there with the emptiness of your breath as long as it's comfortable for you. Sit there. Once you feel like inhalation, bring your head up, inhale completely. Once inhalation is complete, release the diaphragm lock, release the anal lock, sit with a slightly upturned face, maintaining the focus between your eyebrows. Sit there. Just mental focus on your eyebrows and conscious on the natural moment of your breath. Sit there for at least 21 minutes. Do not try to breathe in any particular moment. Just go with how the natural way of breath is happening. Sit there for 21 minutes and meditate. Don't try to think in any particular way. Whatever happens is awesome. Just sit there for 21 minutes. After 21 minutes, just relax. Then you could feel the difference. Do it for 40 days twice and post that 6 months once in a day. Keep smiling. All the best.